well as other things that I want you guys to know. So if you look at number 5, clearly this is in the wrong place. So this should be negative 0.4 with the repeating symbol over the 4. In this section, you're just going to put a check mark, either rational or irrational. It cannot be both. Okay, one or the other. You're going to go to August 10th. Look, I have the date here. If you don't remember this, you're going to go to your jam. You're going to look here. Everything you need is in that section.
So nice of you.
I really try, Maggie. I do.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad. Okay, for this section, you guys have a foldable on how to convert between fractions, decimals, and percents. And then on 818, we also talked about things with repeating decimals. Okay, so you're going to want to check into that on that date. Next page. On August 16th, we talked about how to compare values written in different forms. So you're going to use that information to answer that question. On the 11th, we talked about estimating irrational values. All of that practice we did. There's steps there and everything. So you're going to go look at your notes on that day. Down here, there's a couple things you guys don't have that I'm going to give you information for. This first one, here you would estimate the square root of 3 and then add 2. Here, you're going to do square root of 3 and then times 2. So this one is adding 2, this one is multiplying by 2. This is like having a multiplication right here if there were parentheses here. What's 16 divided by 4? So really you have square root of 4, which is 2. People get caught up on the fraction here. I don't want you guys to be frustrated or overwhelmed or let that slow you down. You divide this, you get the whole number, that actually equals 2. So everybody should be writing these on their paper right now. Yep. I'm giving you wisdom here. Ayla's brother's really excited about it. I can see he's got his paper out and everything. Where's your paper? Oh, I do have your paper. Okay. All right, next page. There are hints, right? And then this tells you where to go for the notes. I think you should be okay. That's all the heads up information I'm going to give you about this. You're going to work by yourself. You can listen to your musics.